Hello everyone, this is Dr. Chung. The book Geometry, we try three questions today, page 384. Okay, mixed questions about soccer. Okay, okay, now let's get started. Okay, right, number one, we have a chord ABCD and secant FDA. This is secant, right? Yeah, this is a secant. This is a tangent. Okay. Okay, now let's find three questions. Okay. So measurable arc DA is 56. DA, this is the measurable arc is 56 degree. Okay. All right. The next one is the measurable arc DB is 112. DB this side, right? From here to here, also 112 degree. And the ratio of two arcs, okay, AC and CB, you can write down this is 3x. Then the other one is 1x, right? Yeah, that is 3 to 1. But we did find the value of x, definitely, okay? Okay, now let's find the measurable arc. No, not arc, right? Angle CEB. CEB, this angle, right? This angle. That is intersections of two chords inside the circle, right? If this is A degree, the other one is B degree, which is X. Okay, so intersection angle inside circle is average of these two, right? A plus B and divided by 2. Okay, that's the measure of angle CEB. But we need to find the value of B, which is the X. Okay, okay, from here to here, all the way A to all the way to point B. Okay, so 56, I'm going to write down over here, 56 plus 112, that is 168. Then what about the other side arc from here all the way down here, right? Which is a 4x. That is what 360, not 130, okay, 360 and minus 168. Let me see, 192 degree, right? This side is 192, which is what? 3x plus x, 4x, that is equals to 192. So the value of x is 48. So this measurable arc is 3 times 48 is 144 degree. The other small arc is 48 degree, right? Okay, we already got. Now A is 56, B is 48. So 56 plus 48 and divided by 2. 104 divided by 2 is 52, or you can divide by 2, right? Both sides. So that is 28 plus 20. Well, you can use this method, it's okay too, right? Or 104 divided by 2, okay? Now, second question is angle F. Angle F is intersection angle outside the circle, right? So these two tangent and secant intercept the arc. Okay, large one is here to here. I'm going to delete this. Here to here, right? Yeah, this measurable arc is what is that? 192, right? We already got together. This one plus this one is this side is 192 degree, right? Where is the other smaller arc? Where is it? Here, right? Here. I'm going to from here to here, right? This is intersection. That's a smaller arc. This is a 112. We already got, right? So the measurable angle F is 192. A minus B, right? 192 minus 112. Okay, difference, but you need divided by 2 again. So 80 divided by 2 is, I don't know, yeah, that is 80, right? Okay, 80 over 2 equals 40. Okay, that is the angle F, 40 degree. Now what is the measurable angle DAC? Where is the DAC? DAC here. Okay, not here. Okay, DAC all together here. So when you take a look measure of the angle A, that is inscribed angle, right? The vertex on the circle. This is inscribed angle. So we're gonna find something else. What? Central angle, isn't it? Yeah, central angle equals to what? It's measurable arc from here to all the way down here, right? All the way down here, isn't it? This arc from here to all the way down. 112 plus 48 equals 160, right? This is 160. So inscribed is half of this measurable arc, okay? Because this number equal to central angle, okay? So half of that is 80 degree, okay? So this one is 80 degree, okay? Okay, now let's move on to question number 2. Number 2 is over here. So we have a figure. H is outside intersection angles. We have 2 secant, okay? So measure of arc GM from here to here. From here to your GM is 7K. That is, I'm going to use this time, so I'm going to use 7X. And the ML, that is 3X. And the LT is 2, that is 2X. You can let their actual measure of arc in this way, right? In terms of X, okay? And also our UT. Last time, so this was error, right? I forgot this one, okay? Sorry about that. Measure of arc UT, this side is 54 degree. Okay, I'm going to use degree. That's fine. Now let's find the UGL. Where is UGL? This angle, right? Actually, this angle is inscribed angle. So you better find the measurable arc or central angle, right? Measurable arc from here to here. Measurable arc from here to here. Right? Yeah, that is equals to central angle, right? So we got the 54 already. Now we need to find 2x. Okay, how we can find the 2x? Okay, from here, this is diameter. Okay, the measurable arc semicircle is 180 degree, right? This side from here to here, not here, right? Here, that is 180. 180 equals 7x plus 3x. 10x equals 180, right? 10x equals 180. So the value of x equals 18. Okay, so this one is 7 times 18 is 126 degree. 3 times 18 is 54 degree. Measure of arc. Okay, we can find, 2x also because we got the value of x. X is 18, this one equals 36 degree, right? Okay, so now from here to here, measure of arc equals how much? 54 plus 36, right? Yeah, we have 2 angles there. That equals 90, right? Which is equal to the angle of central angle, but this is the inscribed angle, must be half of this one. 90 divided by 2, that is inscribed angle, right? 45. Okay, so this is 45 degree. So you got the 45 over here. Now the next one, angle H, intersection angles outside. when you make two lines over here, one line over here, one secant, the other secant, these two secant intersect the arc over here, okay? The arc, I'm gonna use this, okay? The arc here and here, right? So this arc is already 126, we got already. Okay, small arc is 54 here, right? By the formula, angle H is 126, large measure minus small measure, right? 54. And divide by 2. Okay? So 126 minus 54, that is 72, right? And divided by 2 is 36 degree, right? That is outside intersection angle, okay? This one will be 36 degree. Okay? And we're gonna try one more, okay? Yeah, one more over here, okay? PA is tangent. Tangent means what? Diameter or radius with tangent always perpendicular, right? That is a tangent. Intersection, only one point, at one point, okay? And the PCED, okay? Yeah, that is another secant. Now let's find intersection angle outside of circle. Where is it? These two, tangent and secant, intersection, right? Intercept these two arc here, and another one I'm gonna use red color from here to here, right? Okay, we have to. So if this is A, this is B. Okay, this is B degree. This is A degree is what? 130. Smaller one is B degree. We know the formula, right? A minus B and divide by 2. That is the measure of intersection angle. Okay, so how can you find the B? Can you see that this is 50 degrees for this intercepted arc, right? So this one is twice, that's right, central angle. So that is 100 degree. So another side is measurable arc of semicircle is 180, okay? This one is 100, the other one is, should be 80, right? Yeah, 180 minus 100, B equals to 80 degree. So now we find B, now using the formula, A is 130, B is 80, but divided by 2, that is intersection angle, okay? So 50 divided by 2 is what? 25 degree, okay? That's the answer. The next one is the angle BEC. Where is angle BEC? This angle. This angle is the intersection. That is not central angle, right? You get central angle pass through this point. This is also an intersection angles inside the circle. We already got two angles already. Yeah, these two lines intersect here and the other one here, right? Okay. Now this is A. Now this one is B. Okay. Now I'm gonna forget this one. This is B. So inside the angle is what? Sum of the angles and divide by 2, right? Average of these two angles. So A plus B and divide by 2. A is 130, B is 100, and divided by 2. 230, okay, you can see that 115 degree, okay. Okay, now let's find angle BPCA. PCA. This angle, right? That is not measure of arc, this A. How can you find this one? Okay. Can you find the measure of this angle? Okay, yes, yeah, but it takes time. Okay, what else? The easier way, because using the tangent and radius or diameter, they are perpendicular. This one perpendicular, right? So what is the measure of this angle? This is 90 minus 40 is what? This angle is 40 degree, okay? This is already, we got 25 degree. So triangle ACP. When you triangle ACP, take a look at this triangle. We already got, this is 25, this is 40. What is the last angle over here? You know that, right? How to do it? Okay, 180 minus sum of these two angles, 65, right? That is equals to still 115 degree, same number, okay? All right, this one is 115 degree, okay? Okay, that's all today. Next time we will have another video, page 385, okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you in next video, okay? Thank you.